Unraveling, Get Lost, Unpacking Meanings and Usage. Hello, dear viewers. Today we're going to dive into a common English phrase that might seem straightforward but actually holds a variety of meanings depending on the context. Have you ever heard someone say, "Get lost"? Well, by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what that can mean and how to use it appropriately in your own conversations. So, let's get started. When we look at the phrase, "get lost," in its most literal sense, it simply means to become lost or to lose one's way. It could refer to someone who can't find their path while walking in a new city or when hiking in the woods. However, this literal use is not the most common way you'll hear it used in everyday English. More frequently, "get lost" is used as a somewhat rude or harsh command telling someone to go away or leave you alone. It's not the kindest way to speak to someone, and it's important to understand the tone and the situation when this phrase is used. It's often used when someone is annoyed, frustrated, or wants to end a conversation abruptly. Interestingly, the phrase can also have a lighter, more playful tone among friends or in casual situations. For example, if someone is teasing you in a friendly manner, you might laugh and say, "Oh, get lost," indicating that you're not seriously asking them to leave, but rather joining in on the joke. It's crucial to highlight that while "get lost" can be playful, it can also be considered offensive in certain contexts, particularly if used with someone you're not familiar with or in a formal setting. Understanding the cultural nuances and the relationship between the people involved is key to using this phrase appropriately. If you're looking for less confrontational ways to express a desire for solitude or to end a conversation, consider alternatives like, "I need some alone time. Could we talk about this later? I think I need to step out for a bit." Using these phrases can convey your message without potentially offending the other person. Get lost is a versatile phrase with a variety of meanings that can range from playful to downright rude. Remember to pay close attention to the context and your relationship with the person you're speaking to when using this phrase. We hope this video has illuminated the different ways "get lost" can be used in English. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language tips. Until next time, happy learning and try not to get lost in the maze of English idioms.